Welcome back to M&J Incorporated, guys. I have been so excited to make this video, guys, for you guys today. Excuse me if my language sounds off. Today, we have some very amazing things planned out for you guys for this. I have put together a rack of ribs together, and we have seasoned them very thoroughly with a bunch of different spices. We got cayenne, we have coarse salt, we have oregano, we have pepper, and we got a ton of butter. I have set my oven to 500 degrees. Come here. Let me show you real quick. Let me show you. So, you want to let this dry brine in some salt for anywhere from an hour to about 2 or 3 days. I have it here set at 500 degrees on the oven. I have placed the rack on the middle shelf for even cooking. Place it in, and we have that all ready to go. So, in a separate one, because I know you guys didn't get to see me make that and prepare it. So I have here a cast iron pan with some brie in it. Now, this is to show you guys that I really do know how to cook. A lot of people have questioned me at my cooking skills. So, I accept your challenge, people. You know, here on M&J Incorporated, we actually love courtesy within a little bit of a destructive manner. So, as you can see, I haven't put anything besides the brie in there, and it's not cooked. So, I take olive oil and I drip it inside the pan. Yes, drip it inside the pan. I season with black pepper. Excuse me. Salt. And that's all we do with that. Next, perfect. We place the pan on the stove and turn it down to a 6 on if your stovetops has high all the way down to low, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you just let it sit there for, on each side, about 3 to 4 minutes on the stove. And so now, you just sit back, like so, and just wait. That's all you do. Wait. guys, and welcome back. So, for all the people who haven't heard that little entertaining song, I just wanted to start something off to get the crowd jumping. Come over here. Now, for all you haters out there, we love you so much, and just to make you a little bit more mad, we didn't record the spinach going in with the grilled brie. Like I said, guys, love our haters as much as you beautiful audience members that actually enjoy stuff like this. We already have some cooked mushrooms, brought to you in part by Red Robin. This is not a sponsored video. And now we turn the stove back on. Over here we have the ribs still cooking, and it's been a little bit over, I would say 45 minutes or so. Put on your fire retardant and very non-destructive gloves. Pull said ribs out. Ooh, hot. Look at that beautiful work of art. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Not fire resistant. Thanks a lot, Father. Now, definitely a fire resistant glove. Look at those beautiful ribs.
It's gonna get hot too.
Not as hot as the other two. Mountain Dew. The dew of all dews. Dude. Not a sponsored video. We have our beautiful Ancient Aged. Brought to you in part by M&J Incorporated.
And I have Mountain Goat.
We take this and we squirt it on the top. We grab our fire-resistant glove. And alongside with that, so we don't have to turn on the stove, we throw in our baked brie right on the side. And then we wait some more. Doesn't take much. Waiting. Oh, I wonder what's in this oven. Oh my God, it's a treasure chest. Oh wait, no. It's baked brie in a nice looking rack of lamb. I mean, ribs. So now we have to do something great. While they're still hot, we take our very famous Dave's barbecue sauce, sweet and zesty sauce. While it's still hot, we take one of these guys and also generally and graciously spread the barbecue sauce on that bad boy. and for an extra flavorful taste. Okay, that was really good. Now you let your food sit for about 10 or some odd minutes, and then you cut into it. So, do you guys actually believe me that I know how to cook now?
No.
Why, thank you, audience member that is gladly, graciously to volunteer to interrupt us during this video. Okay, so here is a test. Look at that. Look at that. If you could just pull the bone off. With very little effort, like so. You have some amazing ribs. Babe, I'm not joking. These are the best ribs I've ever had. Oh man, they were so good. For all you adults out there, grab yourself a nice cool one, a beer. But for you children, who don't like alcohol whatsoever, or if you're an adult that doesn't like alcohol, grab yourself a nice NOS energy drink or a cup of some ice cold Mountain freaking Dew. And go to work. With these amazing ribs. Grab yourself a nice sharp blade. The wrong way. And now, dig the heck in. Oh my God. Oh my God. A little overly salty. Bad on my part. But besides that, dang good flavor. It's so hard not to curse. But damn, do I feel happy that I can. Because of censoring, you guys get to enjoy me get to enjoy not hearing me say the word damn. Guys, thank you for coming back to MJ Incorporated every single time, because it's people like you who make our channel great. We hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe and follow us on Facebook.